In this video I will show you how to make a bootable USB drive non-bootable again and restore it to its original state. And we will see how to do this in both Windows and Linux, and we will start with Windows. In Windows we are going to use this software Rufus, and it is also the same software we usually use to create bootable USB drives. And you can download this from this website rufus.ie. And you can also install it from the Microsoft Store. And once you install it, you will open it, and then here from the device drop down menu select your pen drive, and then from the boot selection select non-bootable, and for the partition scheme select MBR, and then you can also name your pen drive under volume label. And then for the file system we can select either FAT32 or NTFS, and here I will select NTFS. And after that all we need to do, click this start button and click OK, and that's all we need to do. On Linux we are going to use this tool called GParted, and it should be available on all Linux distributions. And here in GParted we select our USB drive from this drop down menu, but you need to be little careful to choose the correct device, otherwise you could end up formatting one of your hard drives. And if you are not sure which one is your USB drive, here's what you can do. First unplug your pen drive and then open a terminal and run this command dmesg -w. What this command does is show information about any device when you plug it into your PC. And so next we connect our USB drive, and when we do that we see this information about the drive, and here the message saying attach SCSI removable disk, and this is our USB drive, and in this example it's labeled SDB. So in GParted tool I will select the SDB drive, and here after selecting the drive we can see we have two partitions, and we need to delete them, but before that we need to unmount them. So right click on each partition and then select unmount, and next we need to create a new partition table, and for that go to device and then click create partition table, and this will delete existing partitions and create a new partition table. And for the partition table type here select msdos, and now we have a new partition table, and next we will create a new partition. And to do that right click on the unallocated space and then select new. Here everything should stay as default except for the file system type, and choose FAT32 or NTFS for the file system. If you want to copy files larger than 4 GB you should select NTFS. And also don't forget to name your pen drive in this label field. If you want a custom name, this is where you enter it, and I forgot to do that when I recorded the videos. And after that there's one more thing to do, and we need to save our changes, and for that you can go to edit and select apply all operations. You can also just click this button here, and once you click apply it will format your pen drive and it will become a normal USB drive again. And that's it for this video.